My name is Nathan Vining. I'm a criminal defense attorney in Indiana, and I'm going to go over 3 tips on what to do if you're facing a criminal case in Marshall County, Indiana. First tip may be obvious, but it's to know your court dates. It's important to show up to court. If you don't, you may face a warrant for your arrest or could have other problems. But what you may not know is that you can go online in Indiana and actually pull up your case information and see all of the filings and dates and when you need to show up in court next. You can find that at mycase.in.gov. Here is a screenshot of what it looks like. You can go in there, you can search by your name, you can search by your case number, and there you can get all the information you need. The second thing you should know if you're facing a criminal defense case in Marshall County is that it's important to work with your attorney. A lot of people may hire somebody and then just trust the attorney to do all the work. It's important to take an active part because your attorney wasn't there. They don't know your story. So you need to talk with them and work closely with them so they know your story, they know the facts, they know what evidence they need to be going out and trying to get. For instance, there may be cameras that have views of the location that the state may not have that could help your case, but your attorney can go out and get it. So it's important to communicate with your attorney because they can then understand the bigger picture of what happened when you were arrested, and they can look for things like suppression issues. They can find witnesses maybe the state doesn't have, or even procedural errors that happen with a traffic stop or something like that. So it's important to work closely with your attorney. And then the last thing is that, again, a lot of times people hire an attorney and sit back and hope for the best. It's important to not do that and actually take proactive steps. There's a lot of things you can do to improve your chances in court, and that's what I call mitigation. It's doing things like taking anger management courses, getting into substance abuse treatment. If you don't have a job, getting a job. If you want to further your education, it's pursuing some education. Ultimately, it's important to try and put yourself in the best footing, because if you're going to be going in front of a judge, you want to show them that maybe something happened that is the reason that you're there, but things have changed and I'm on a better path now. If you end up getting convicted or taking a plea that involves some kind of criminal element, it's important to go in there and show the court that you're in a different position than you were when you were arrested. And that could go a long way towards improving your case. So this is the Marshall County Courthouse. If you have court there, you would go in there. You need to know which court you're going to, and the people there can help you find the right place. So if you have questions, feel free to give me a call. I have experience working in Marshall County and would be happy to answer any questions and walk you through what I think of your case.